Hi, this is Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom branded magazine newsstand that you can deliver right from your own website to make money and deliver extra value to your customers and prospects. So to do this, it's really easy. What you want to do is start by going to the Of 11 Media website, and where you see the login on the right-hand side, go to the affiliates item. And if you haven't signed up as an affiliate, you'll want to do that. And once you are, then you'll click the affiliate login. And from there, that will bring you into the main dashboard page of the affiliate program. On the left-hand side, you'll see where it says promotion. If you click that, down the third item, you'll see custom newsstand, which is what you want to click. So the first time you come here, you'll fill out your account information, but now that I've come back, I'm just going to type in the newsstand that I want to create today. So today I'll do a demo using our friends over at Discover as the example. So we'll Discover Financial. And you can have multiple newsstands for any purpose you want. You click New, and it'll take us through a little setup where first, we get to decide on the format of our page. Any of these settings can be changed later on, so it's very easy. And that'll throw us over to the page, the assembly page. Now, what you'll see in here are the magazines on our newsstand. As we add publications, they'll go in here. You could customize. I'll show you that in a second, what magazines are offered. But what you'll also notice is that there are these spots on the left and the right for you to be able to put in your own custom branding or literally your own advertising, where you can display the magazines in the center part and run ads and make money on the outside. So I'm going to go through some of these custom settings here. Now, first, if you look, you can have the ability to do none if you don't want any slots there. You could have one slot, or you can have two slots as we had before. And then putting the ads in is really easy. You just click browse or you drag. So I have some open in another window here. I'm just going to drag them over. Let's put it, drag one over there. Let's do Discover Home Loan ad here. Now, notice here that it came out and it was misformatted. It's a wrong size. No problem. Mouse over, click delete, it goes away, and now I can put a different one in here. So let's just put a different ad in there. I'm not sure which one that is. Okay, there you have that. And on the right-hand side, let's imagine that we want to do a skyscraper type of ad. So here we will drag over a different size ad. And boom. So now we've got that all set up. Now, if you look on the right-hand side, you'll see some function buttons. The top one is the most important one because that's the settings. Here, you'll see if you ever want to change the settings of it, you can format it left, right. I'll leave it at the center. The page background you can change. Right now, we have this black background. You could click a color if you want to change the background. You can change it to whatever you want. Or you can put an image back there. The images can be these pre-designed ones that we already have, or you can put your own custom branded background there so it could look really slick and custom to your own business. So we'll leave that there for that background. Now, the newsstand can have a subtitle. Here it says Of 11 Media Network. I'm going to change that and have it say, from your friends at Discover. And then I click the update button, and boom, it just changes right over there. Now, the newsstand style, you have two choices. Here we have a custom newsstand. It's the multiple magazine approach. You can also choose a single publication. So if I was here and I wanted to, well, you see here by default, Losing It magazine is checked. That magazine will come up, but literally you could display one magazine if that's all that you wanted to do. Now, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go back to the newsstand approach, and you'll see that that'll reload. But let's say I don't want to have all these magazines, or there's some that wouldn't be interesting to my audience. Well, I can go through and unselect any particular publications that I don't want, and you'll see that that'll change right in real time. So I'm going to leave here, well, let's just say the Consumer Advocate I don't want. So I'm going to be here. We'll take that out, and you'll see that the Consumer Advocate is no longer visible, but you have your whole newsstand. Now, what we can do is preview it, make sure we like how it looks. Great, we like how that looks. From there, I'm going to save it. And that way, I can always come in and I can see my newsstands, and I click my newsstands and I can see all my tests. I can edit them whenever I want, and I can also get the code from this. So if you look here, the little I button here, this is the link that you link to from your web page or that you can send out. I'm just going to copy this. I think I copied the right link. Let's test. So I open it here. And there we go. So we've got it right there. So if you want to add a new newsstand, you click on the plus button, and that's really all that there is to it. And then you link from your website. One other thing I want to show is if somebody comes here, what happens? So they click on the magazine. They have the option to subscribe to it, or they could read the current issue. If they click read the current issue, then you'll see it'll take a second or two, it'll load, but the cool part about it is it's loading and they can read that publication right from within this environment. So your ads are still displayed, your branding's still there, and they're just flipping through and they're going to the stories, but they're spending more time on your website. So there you have it. That is how you create your own custom branded newsstand. Hope you like.